Hello. Hello, hello. This is a very late night for me. Yes, it is. But it's been a very busy day, too. I did some Halloween makeup for some lovely folks. And I'm just now getting home and situated. And I'm ready to show y'all. I've taken it off, and now I'm going to do it again. Towards then. Yeah. So, with that being said, let's get started. We're going to do Leatherface from Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Come on, glue. Yes, this does not require a whole lot. It's just a little patient. I'm skipping, so let's try this. Yeah. Okay. Hello, everyone. Take your toilet paper and you tear it in pieces. Hello, Stephanie. I'm late. I'm gonna get glue all in my hair. I've already done this once. This is round 2. And I can't remember, I think I did 7 other faces. Yeah. It was fun though. I don't have any pictures. I got a picture of myself, and then I got a picture of me and Marie Antoinette. But that's okay. They'll be posting pictures. Hello, Sherry. This is round 2 of Leatherface. I already did him one time. And I took, oh, it did. It went good, Stephanie. Hey, Sarah Jean. So I thought I was going to get to do this earlier in the day, but time was not on my side. So here we are. Better late than never. We're doing it now. Yes, this is toilet paper that I am putting on my face because I am cheap. And I am not going to go buy a whole bunch of stuff. Just not. This is toilet paper and Elmer's glue. You gotta have Elmer's. I don't care what anybody tells you. You gotta have Elmer's. Cheap and effective. Hello, Casey. I'm just putting layers on, y'all. Layers. And sometimes that happens. And when that does, that just creates a better crease, and just roll with it. Just get your brush wet again with the glue. And push it down. This means you didn't have enough glue on it to start with. Make sure that when you do it that you get the corners down, because if you don't get the corners down, the other is not going to stay. I'm going to cut me some more up. And I try not to get all the pieces the same shape and size, because you don't want it to look symmetric. That's never cool. Most of the time I just rip it. Rip it good. Like that. And I just put that all on my stupid brow. That's okay. Two pieces too big for that. And I'm sorry I'm late. Mama was working. I'm at least going to say that I did 7 faces. I know I did 7. I can count 7. It was so much fun. I'm definitely going to do this again next year. I look like I have a Biore strip on my nose. It's like... This is hilarious. I gotta fix that. That's driving me insane. Sorry, I'm easily amused. Thank you, Sarah Jean. I just love it when you share. It makes my heart smile, inside and out. Yeah. That was not, like, I don't do anything intentional, y'all. Nothing. That's like... Ugh. My life is totally unscripted. Like, my face is going to feel like a baby's butt tomorrow, because this will be the second time I've done this today. And I literally took it off about, I don't know, took it off at 9 o'clock before I drove home. Thank you, Sherry. Hello, Hannah. Why, yes, your crazy cousin is gluing toilet paper to her face. Because I was doing makeup for a party. I want that to come down a bit. I was doing makeup for a party, and I had to have some myself, so I did it, and then I took it off so I could show y'all how I did it, because the intent was I was going to go live while doing it, but I was running behind, so I didn't get to, and to me, it's not fair for me to jip y'all out of it. No, it's not the craziest thing I've ever done, Hannah. Nope. Let's see, I'm going to try to do one catty crazy over here. Save a little time, but sometimes you just have to have those cracks. Oh yeah, that one's going to be cool. This time might be better than the first time. The first time I did it in like 20 minutes. I was going fast. I was rushing. Okay. I gotta get more glue. I'm about to need more Elmer's. I don't want to get too much because I don't think I'm going to need a whole lot more. This side is already getting kind of firm. But y'all tell me, am I the only one, like back in the day, would take glue before they made all these fancy masks? You know, I sell some. But before they made all the masks, like, I remember taking Elmer's glue and putting it on my face to get the blackheads away. Does anybody else remember doing that, or was it just me? Could be that I just enjoy putting glue on my face. 30 years old and still doing it. You used it on your hands. I remember, I mean, just a couple years ago, I was still putting glue on my nose. No shame. Like, y'all look at that. That's like, I love it. That means it's gonna do good. I used to, like, I'm not even lying. But now we have that, brightening mask, and it is, you just think your pores are all clean. Woo! This brings out everything. I need to get the blow dryer to dry this quicker. Oh, I gotta get you on my nose there, Skippy. Come on. There you go. Ooh, but knock that over. Alright. Now that this is good and whatever, going to put me some powder, my good stuff, on my thingamajigger. And go for it. I gotta go more. Hey, Miss Deborah. A lot of my problem here is my glue's too wet. And it's sticking to my brush. Dang it. Oh, that's good. That's good, Sherry. Glad he's reading. More power to you on homeschooling. I tried it. And I could probably homeschool Carly. That wouldn't be an issue. But the Katie Lane with her stuff and my stuff mixed, that's like, what? So you can see where there was no glue. Because there's no product sticking to it. So when you do that, you have to go back with some other stuff to like shade it. If you're here, say hey so I can see you, because sometimes even though you type, I can't see if we're not friends. So if you want to be friends, want to know I'm live, send me a friend's request. What? Alright, I like making new friends. Friends are my friends. Okay. Gonna get my brown so I can go and do all these outlines. Cover up that white. Am I cooking supper tomorrow? Let me see how much sleep I get tonight, and then I'll let you know, because as of right now I'm like running on. Why? You won't be there. Why does that matter? You won't be there. Unless you're gonna be there just so I can cook. Is that what's happening? Ha ha ha. I'm just giving an outline for the stitches. Like for the, where he cuts. And then I'm gonna go back into the detailing. Okay, well I'll cook. You can eat supper with us. I guess you can eat supper with us. Okay. I knew I was missing something. I got to put some darn glue, some stuff over these brows. I knew something wasn't looking right. I'm going to do there and there because I'm not gluing my brows. This won't take long, y'all. Dang it. You remember what I told you? Glue the corners. Glue the corners. Because that's what happens if you don't. And then your toilet paper turns to mush. I have so much glue on these pants. Just been wiping away on them all day. Roll that over. I do love you, Aunt Kim. Very much. Very, very. I need to lay something out to cook then, don't I? To cook for my family, too. Yikes. Ain't done that either. I'm such a horrible person. Let's see. Put some glue there and some glue there. Slap that sucker right there, and then you got a base coat. Dang it. Okay, now I'm gonna go back with my foundation. And I gotta put some on there. No! That's what happens when you don't follow the rules. Things do not work your way. Oh yeah. I feel much better about life now. Life is is complete. Now I have jacked up brows. Good night, Aunt Kim. Thank you. Thanks for sharing. Sharing is caring. Alright, shadow time. I didn't pull out a shadow. Where you at? Palette 2, come on. Yes! First try. Rub it on the lip. Now, details. Details, details, details. I gotta have my liner, but I don't know where that is. So it looks like I'm gonna use Halloween paint. This paint that I'm using like sucks monkey balls. Not even lying. I gotta find that liner. That's aggravating me. All my stuff is packed up, so there's this. Hello, Dustin. Alright, now I need blood. I need the blood. If I can find it. Need the bloody scab. That's not it. I need a chainsaw. I can't smile. I sound like I'm smiling, y'all. I'm smiling. I feel like I am 20 years younger because my skin is so tight. Good times, good times. I'm missing something. Need to do a little something. Snip that, but I don't want to cut my hair. Alright. What now? Oh, we need fresh blood. Fresh blood, because I want to drink your blood. That is not open. To open or not to open? That is the question. I opened. I already had some dang blood open. Oh well. This I shall stand up right there. Hello, Julie. Alright, do I look like Leatherface? Oh. Finishing touches, y'all. Let me get my attire. Okay. So did I pull off Leatherface? I'm kind of digging this. Let me have some of my Sonic drink. This is as wide as this mouth can open. Okay. I think we're done. And it only took me 36 minutes. So see, look, I did good. I did good. My battery is about to die. So I'm fixing to hop off here. I don't know how it come uncharged. Unplugged. Hold on 2 seconds. Okay. Oh, because I unplugged it like an idiot. But anyways, I'm about to get off here. Take some pics. And take it off yet again. That's how I roll. If y'all have any questions on powder or eyeshadow or anything, just message me. Peace out, home fry. Later, Bye.